What's up, everybody? Javi Uso back again with another video. Right, guys, we got a quick $20 session, $215 million cash explosion, and I just realized after I got this for the machine, it was the black box special. I was like, oh boy, yeah, you know what? That's okay. I'll just do a video on this one ticket and let's see how I do. All right, so it's just a matching game. Find a sack, $100 instantly, 20x, 20 times the price. And overall is running 3.09. All right, let's go. Okay, we're looking for 36, 17, 28, 46, 39, coaches 16, and penny cruise 11. All right, come on. So no singles, no singles. All right. And I just said no singles. Toss 15, one off. 21, 41. Half. Hey, look, randomred comes in pairs. That was 4. Hey, that was half of the 44 club. 47. Need a 46. 34. Need a 36, 39. No zeros at the top. No singles. 37. One off. 48. Hawaii 5-0. Not there. No 20s. No 20s. No 25. No 23. 38. One off. 24. 33. Lucky 7, no singles. And it was on ticket 29. Come on. One off. No singles. 18. No zeros. Come on, last spot. And that's jackpot. That's how jackpot look like, guys. That's how it looks like. Let's go. And it's a 19. Oh, well. Can't change on this ticket, right? It's the last ticket for the machine. So, like I said, we have, in my description box down below, I have links and emails for Lady Luck and AZ Scratcher. If you guys want to purchase any coin, please hit them up. All right. Thank you for watching. And now, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you all on the next video. Hello, everybody. All right.